Right now, we're seeing a significant spike in sentiment for finance, clocking in at plus 0.62, along with momentum hitting plus 0.72. This isn't just noise, it's a clear deviation from historical baselines, highlighting a surge in positive sentiment that could signal a shift in investor behavior. Our API returns nuanced insights, capturing not only sentiment, but also the dynamics of 20 semantic clusters that provide context to this sentiment shift. Imagine using this data to enhance your trading algorithms. You could integrate this sentiment analysis to execute trades based on real-time emotional trends rather than just price action, gaining an edge in decision-making. Curious to see how you can leverage this? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.